What if I told you the United States has a fighter jet so advanced, it's a full decade ahead of anything else in the world? A jet that can see without being seen, strike before it's detected. This is the SR-92 Dragon, the future of air dominance.
And control the battlefield from miles away. You've never heard of it because you weren't supposed to. This is America's secret jet, and it's rewriting the future of air warfare.
For years, rumors have circled about a mysterious aircraft hidden deep within America's deserts. Inside classified hangars of Area 51 and Edwards Air Force Base, engineers have been building something beyond imagination. Tonight, that secret leaves the ground.
The program is officially known as the Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD. But to those who fly it, to those who built it, it's simply the Ghost. Invisible to radar, built to command the sky.
The story began over a decade ago when the U.S. Air Force realized the F-22 Raptor, once unstoppable, might not be enough for the wars to come. Adversaries were catching up, technology was shifting, and America needed a fighter.
China and Russia were rapidly catching up. So, in total secrecy, the Pentagon approved a program to leap not one, but 2 generations ahead. A new aircraft to own the sky, a power source that bends physics, and a mission that cannot fail. Project Lucent.
Unlike traditional fighters, NGAD isn't just a plane, it's a networked system of systems. Its airframe is built around modular, AI-driven components that can be swapped, upgraded, or replaced as missions evolve. The jet thinks for itself, sharing data with autonomous
Proportion. It begins the mission as a hunter of the skies. But with a command from the cockpit, its skin shifts, edges fold, and the glow fades. In seconds, it's a shadow, built for silent penetration. Around it, loyal wingmen move like a living shield.
The Next Generation Air Dominance Fighter is driven by a revolutionary adaptive engine. In real time, it reshapes airflow for ultimate stealth or raw power. It flies farther, faster, and cooler than any rival, extending range, slicing through the sky at Mach 2+.
Radar cross-section?
Practically invisible. It reflects less than a seagull.
And its sensors?
So advanced they can track enemy jets before the enemy knows they exist. Watch this. Contact 60 miles out. Heat signature locked. They have no idea we're here.
That's the future of air combat.
What truly separates this jet from everything else is its brain. The Next Generation Air Dominance Fighter carries an artificial intelligence that learns in flight, processing the battle space faster than a human ever could. It scans threats, predicts maneuvers, and recommends...
Threat analysis running, 6 hostile aircraft detected, vectoring updated. Recommended tactic, divide and flank. Assigning drones 3 and 4 to covert approach.
Copy. Execute.
Drones in position. Attack run ready.
Launch.
Engaging, missiles away.
I'm not just flying anymore.
In 2020, while the world focused elsewhere, the U.S. Air Force quietly confirmed something extraordinary. A full-scale prototype of its next-generation air dominance fighter had already been built. And more than that, it had flown. No fanfare, no photographs.
The test shocked even veteran engineers. It didn't just meet expectations, it shattered them. In its first full flight, the new airframe outflew every benchmark we set, vanishing from radar, stretching its legs far beyond range estimates, and
When the classified schematics appeared on the open web, command centers from Washington to Moscow lit up in alarm. Analysts realized within hours that the files were authentic, a new generation stealth fighter, years ahead of anything public. Governments scrambled to secure their secrets.
Russia doubled down on the Su-57, pushing its stealth fighter to the front line. U.S. officials simply smiled, because the NGAD wasn't even the final form. It was just the beginning.
In the coming years, America's skies will be guarded by fleets of these 6th-generation fighters, aircraft conceived to dominate every domain. Each one can orchestrate a battle network in real time, linking drones, satellites, and cyber units into a single, agile force.
The battlefield of tomorrow will be faster, smarter, deadlier, controlled by artificial intelligence and human strategy, combined. And the next-generation air dominance fighter? It will sit at the center of it all. Next-generation air dominance.
While the world debates who owns the skies, America has already moved on to the next decade of dominance. The NGAD is more than a jet, it's a message to every nation. You can't fight what you can't even see. This is Air Power Reimagined. Subscribe